Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Ambassadors Renegades on guitar, step by step. We'll start by learning the 4 essential chords that form the backbone of the entire song. Then, we'll tackle the main strumming pattern, which is quite catchy. Focusing on smooth transitions between these chords is key to making it sound great, so let's get started. Now, let's dive into the verse and pre-chorus sections. The chord progression here is a repeating sequence of B minor, D major, A major, and G major. Focus on keeping your strumming steady and your chord changes clean. The pre-chorus uses the same 4 chords, but often with a slightly different feel or emphasis, building anticipation for the chorus. Moving on to the chorus, you'll find the same 4 chords: B minor, D major, A major, and G major. This is where the song really opens up, so play with confidence and a strong strum. The bridge also utilizes these familiar chords, but might have a slightly altered rhythm or emphasis to create a dynamic shift. Maintain that energetic feel. To truly master Renegades, let's refine your strumming. The core pattern is often described as down, down, up for each chord. Experiment with accenting the second downstroke for that authentic feel. Remember to use a metronome to keep your timing precise. Consistent practice, even for just 10 to 15 minutes daily, will build muscle memory and make playing effortless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.